Hello friends, and welcome to another day of Indigenous Kindergarten Math Scholars. I'm Miss Olivia, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day today. So, I hope everyone has their listening ears on and their looking eyes so we can start our math meeting board. All right, is everyone ready today? I hope everyone's having a good day so far. All right, let's start with our calendar. We're in the month October. All right, and today is the 8th of Friday. All right, let's say our days of the week. Okay, let's start with Sunday. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All right, let's go down here. Look down here at our seasons. We're in the fall season. All right, then we have winter. Then we have spring, and then we have summer. All right, let's look at our months. Let's say the months together. Everyone ready? Okay, let's start with January. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right, let's go over here and look at our quarter. All right, this is a quarter and is worth 25 cents. And right below it is a display of a quarter. All right, and let's go to our clock. Everyone look at our clock. It is 11 o'clock. You can tell the little hand is the hour hand, which is 11, so we're gonna write 11 down here. And our minute hand is at the 12, so we know it's 11 o'clock. All right, let's count the numbers on our clock. All right, let's start with 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, and it's 11 o'clock. All right. Everyone go in your pencil box and pull out your 10 blocks. All right. I pulled mine apart because we're going to be counting one more. All right. So we have one block. I have one block in my hand. And then we're going to add one more. So what's one more than 1? We're going to 2. So there's 2 blocks. All right. Let's add one more. So we have 2. What's one more than 2? 3. We have 1, 2, 3. All right, let's keep adding. All right, what's one more than 3? We're going to add one more. 4. We have 4 blocks. All right. So what's one more than 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to add one more. 5. All right, let's add one more. What's one more than 5? We can add 1. 6. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. All right, let's keep adding. What's one more than 6? We have 7. 7. One more than 7. 8. All right, now we have 8 blocks. Okay, what's one more than 7? What's one more than 7 and 8? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna add one more and we have 9. 9 blocks. Let's add our last block. What's one more than 9? 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, 10 blocks. All right, let's move on to our hundredths chart. So everyone, pull out your hundredths chart. Have this right in front of you. Okay. Everyone have your hundredths chart right in front of you, and let's count to 10. All right. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, just like we did with our blocks, let's do one more. So let's look at 1. What's 1 more than 1? We see 2. All right, what's 1 more than 4? 5. All right, let's look at 7. Everyone point to 7. Put your finger on the number 7. What's 1 more than 7? We have 8. All right, 8 is 1 more than 7. All right, let's look at 2. Everyone point to 2. What's 1 more than 2? Is 3. All right, look at 4. Everyone point to 4. What's 1 more than 4? 5. Okay, so let's look at 9. What's 1 more than 9? 10. All right, 1 more than 9 is 10. All right, so let's go down here and look at our number of the day. Our number of the day is 11. Double digit number, 11. Everyone get your finger and let's draw in the air 11. So it's just 2 ones together make 11. All right, now that we finished our math meeting board, I'm going to turn around the board and I want everyone to have their lesson 12 out. All right, so everyone pull out your lesson 12 folders, have them out while I turn around the board. All right, everyone have their lesson 12 out? This is what you should have in front of you. In a baggie, you will have all these cards and your center, and it says strawberry circles, 1 more. All right. Okay, let's read the directions. So it's count the circles on the strawberry. Clip a clothespin to the number that is 1 more than the number of circles. All right, so for this center, we're going to need our clothespin. So everyone in your pencil box, get out your clothespin. Have this ready to use. All right, so our directions say a number that is 1 more. Just like we did on our math meeting board, added 1 more. So this is what we're going to be learning on our center today. All right, so let's try one. All right, let's look at this strawberry. Let's count the dots. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is 1 more than 8? Is 9. All right, so we're going to clip our clothespin on the 9 because 9 is 1 more than 8. All right, let's try another one. Let's go to this one. Let's look at this strawberry. Let's count the dots. There's 1, 2. There's 2 dots in the strawberry. So what's 1 more than 2? See right here? 3. So we're going to put our clothespin on the number 3 because that is 1 more than 2. All right. Let's just keep pulling these cards. All right. Look at this one. Let's count it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dots in this strawberry. What is 1 more than 6? See right here we have the number 6, we have 5, and then we have 7. So 7 is 1 more than 6. So we're going to put our clothespin on the number 7. All right. Let's look at this one. Let's count the dots. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 dots in this one. What's 1 more than 4? You put up your fingers. What's 1 more than 4? You put up 1 more finger. How many do you have up? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you see 5 right here. We're going to clothespin it because it is 1 more than 4. All right. Let's go to this one. Let's count the dots. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's 5 dots in this strawberry. All right, so we put up our fingers, right? We have 5 fingers up. If we add 1 more, all right, how many fingers do we have up? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and we see 6 right here. So we're gonna put the clothespin on the number 6 because it is 1 more than 5. All right, let's go to this card. All right, let's count the dots on this strawberry. We have 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 dots on this strawberry. So let's look at our numbers. We have 5, 3, and 4. All right, so if we have 3 fingers up and we put 1 more up, how many fingers do we have up? We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 more than 3 is 4. So we're gonna put our clothespin on the number 4 because that is 1 more than 3. All right, let's go to this one. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 dots, so what's 1 more than 7? We have right here, we have 9, 8, and 7. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna put our clothespin on the number 8. All right, let's pick this one up. How many dots do you see in this one? I don't see any dots. So there are 0 dots. So what's 1 more than 0? 1. 1 is 1 more than 0. So we're going to put our clothespin on the number 1. All right, 2 more cards. Let's pick this one. All right, how many dots do you see? You see 1. So what's 1 more than 1? So we have 1 finger up. We're going to put another finger up. You have 1, 2. So there's 1 more than 1 is 2. So we're going to look for the number 2. It is right here. And we're going to clothespin it. And that is 1 more than 1. Okay, let's look at our last card. All right, let's count the dots. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dots, so what's 1 more than 9? So you have 10, 8, and 7. We're gonna clothespin 10 because that is 1 more than 9. All right. Okay, so that is our center for today. 1 more. All right. So if we look over here, if everyone can pull out their worksheet folders and have the 3 worksheets right in front of you, have this one laid in front of you that says 1 more, set 1. And just by reading that, we're going to know, like we did in our center, we're going to be doing 1 more. All right. So have this worksheet right in front of you, and the directions say color the set that is 1 more than the given number in each row. All right, so it says color. So everyone get a color pencil. Pull out in your pencil box a color pencil. I'm going to choose red. You can choose any color you like, your favorite color. All right. Miss Olivia will wait for you while you get your color pencil out. All right. Okay, so let's look at this first row. It says 2. So the directions say color the set that is 1 more than the given number in each row. All right, so what's 1 more than 2? 3. All right, so let's look at these pottery bowls and which one has the number 3. Let's count. All right, let's look in this one. As 1, 2. It can't be that one. Let's go to our second one. So this one has 1, 2, and 3. So that is the one that is 1 more than 2. So we're gonna get our color pencil and we're gonna color this section right here because it is one more than two. So there's just color, color, color in these pottery bowls. All right, let's go to this one right here. That has a number 4. All right, number 4. So what's one more than 4? We have 4 fingers up, and then we add one more finger. How many fingers do we have up? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're gonna look for the baskets that have 5 baskets in them. All right, let's look in this row. So this one has 1, 2, and 3. It can't be that one. Let's go to this one. So let's count the baskets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is way too much baskets. Let's go to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is one more than 4. So we're gonna color these baskets. All right, I did 2 with you. I want you to do the other 2 for extra practice. All right, so let's go on to our next worksheet, and it says one more set of 2. So this one is just like this one, but it has the 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, so directions: color the set that is one more than the given number in each row. All right, so we're just going to do the same thing like we did in this one. We're going to go in this one. So have this one right in front of you. I am going to choose a different color pencil. I'm going to choose green. You guys can choose a different color pencil if you want to. All right. I'll wait for you to choose another color pencil, and then we can start. Okay, what's one more than 6? 7. So let's count the ladybugs. So let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is not one more than 6. Let's go to the second one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can't be that one. Let's go to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is one more than 6. So we're gonna color these ladybugs. Has anyone caught a ladybug before? I've seen some ladybugs. If you see ladybugs, you can like try to catch them and count the dots on their backs. I know that there's different color ladybugs. There's red ladybugs, there's orange ladybugs. So when you catch a ladybug, you can look at the dots on their back and you can count them, because they're very friendly. Ladybugs are very friendly. All right, so I colored in the ladybugs that are 7, because 7 is one more than 6. Everyone do that? Okay, let's go to number 8. So everyone look at the number 8. What's one more than 8? 9. So let's count these fish and let's see if we count 9. So let's count the first row. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is too much. So let's look at this row. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this row, 9, because 9 is one more than 8. So we're going to count these fish. We're going to color these fish. So everyone color in these fish. Color in these fish. Has anyone ever had fish before? I know in some indigenous cultures, they catch fish for a living and they can make like profit out of it, or they just take it home for like dinner so they can feed their family. I know some Inuit cultures they count fish, they eat fish or they hunt fish, and they just, they take the scales off the fish and that's when they can eat them, or they sell them for profit. Is anyone's favorite meal fish? All right, so we colored in those fish. Everyone color in the 9 fish. All right, I did 2 with you, and I want you guys to do the rest for extra practice, and we can move on to our next worksheet. So our next worksheet is number trace. Okay, so for this worksheet, it says trace each number. So what do you guys think we need? What supplies we need for this worksheet? We need a pencil. All right, so everyone have this worksheet right in front of you and have your pencil out because we're going to be tracing. Everyone ready? Everyone have your supply out? Everyone have this worksheet right in front of you? Okay, let's look at this one. It says 5. We're going to trace the number word 5. So everyone have your pencil in your hand. And we're going to trace the word 5. Okay, let's look at 6. We're going to trace the number word 6. Let's trace the word 6. Okay, let's go down one more. 7. 7, let's trace the word 7. Okay, what's one more than 7? We go down 8. So we're going to trace the word 8. What's one more than 8? 9. 9, let's trace the word 9. Okay, what's one more than 9? 10. So let's trace the word 10. Okay, so I did this first row with you guys, 5 to 10. You guys can do the next 2 rows for extra practice. Just trace the 5 to 10. Okay, so that is our center in our worksheet today. You guys did an awesome job. Thank you for joining me today. It is Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.